Hey guys, Lily here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. So I'm going to use this Anastasia Baby Hills deep brow in the shade Granite. So I'm using this next eyebrow brush. When I come up here, I like to use my brush like this. Yeah, so going on the other side to do the same. We start here in the middle, the center. MAC concealer palette, so I'm going to use this. Wait, on the front. Yeah, so I'm going to use the same one on here. Born to Grow from NYX in the shade Mocha. Brow Mascara from NYX. And that's in this area, in the front here. I like to come Hydratouch primer from NYX. Color here to fit as my color corrector to fix the area that I have darkness. I'm going to use this foundation from NYX, Born to Grow, this one Mocha and this one Cocoa. So I'm going to mix these two together. I prefer to cover the area with concealer and color corrector, and then I'm using this brush from Makeup Maker, foundation brush, to Anastasia Beverly Hills, this one. That I have left on the sponge, I'm taking up here. Yes. Okay, so now that we're done concealing, contouring and everything, now I'm going to use my La Mercier setting translucent powder to set my concealer. Already done setting your powder. I'm going to use this Mary Kay contour powder, cocoa, to shade my to fix my contour. For brush, I'm going to use this one, the one I like always. Yeah, Neo. Eyes, I'm going to use the same contour I use. Okay, I don't want don't want something too crazy for the eyes, because I just want, it's daytime, I want something simple. So I'm going to use this NYX palette, and then okay, which shade? I'm going to take this shade here in the corner here. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay guys, so I'm done applying my lashes. So I'm using this chestnut. Now I'm going to use this Pure makeup maker nude collection. Go with my NW46 to set all the makeup of the face. Champagne color. I'm going with this like a bronze color here, this one. So now I'm using this matte finish spray from NYX, and then I'm going over again with this Dewy finish spray. Hey guys, so this is the end result. This is the finished look. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming video. Details for the earrings this earring, I got a gift from Glitter. They sent me a lot of gifts. They are so freaking cute. I love all of them. So earrings from Glitter and glasses from Glitter as well. If you like, I'll put the link in the description box. I think everyone knows what Glitter is. They're so kind. I love them. Thank you so much, Glitter. So the jacket, the jacket from Zara, top from Nelly, and this one here from Makeup Maker, the same top. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I love you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.